Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 12th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir Stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. So Palantir at last going up 49 cents, 5.2%. Closed at 991. Post-market, we are down by 3 cents. Let's look at what we have here. Yesterday, we had what I call a head fake on the 1-hour chart. And let's look at the 1-hour chart right away. So we had the nice move up. We had stochastic over 60. Everything was great, but then the stock came back down. So this helped us establish that, okay, we are into this little channel. Then the stock came back down and first thing in the morning, we came back up, we got stochastic back, and we have been up ever since. This is really nice to see. We can now establish that we are into this channel. So even if Palantir comes back down to it, it should be rebounding here. So we had to establish the second low. The first low was here. The first higher low is here. So then we can draw this, and then we can draw the opposite at the same slope. And now we have a pattern. Before it was iffy. The stock made a lower low. This was a higher low. This was a higher low. The stock made a lower low and started to move back up. And then we did not know exactly what was going to happen. Stochastic was over 60. So then it looked like the move was going to come here and maybe we could have had a channel like this. But this is not what happened and we could not know before. So we just observe and see what the stock is doing and we react to it. The stock is leading and we follow. So then we came back down, and with today's move, we have a nice higher low here. So we can conclude, okay, this is a channel. Let's ride the channel. So personally, I'm back in. Yes, I lost a little bit here, but that's fine. It was just a little bit of a cut. And now I'm back in and I got back everything and then some of what I lost yesterday. And now I know with more certainty what the stock is doing. And if it comes back down here until this support right here, I'm going to keep staying in it until we break that support. That's it. So let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we don't have stochastic yet. That's the part that is a little bit tough. We could have a nice move on the hourly chart and then it can cross support very soon because we don't have stochastic. So this is something that can happen. This is why you need to decide if you want to invest based on the daily chart or if you want to invest based on the hourly chart. I invest mostly based on the hourly chart because I like to catch the small swings that the stock does. If you don't care about these small swings and you are a more longer term investor, you can just look at the daily chart and wait until we have a good daily chart. So right now, this is getting a little bit better. So we are back into the first support. So that's a little bit better. We don't have stochastic over 60 yet. It's not the time to invest yet on the daily chart. We have DMI, and we don't have a crossover bullish right here, and we have RSI below zero. So it's not the time yet for the daily chart, even though it is the time for the hourly chart. So the stock market is all about timing. It's all about timing. Even if you do a good fundamental analysis and you find a great company, the timing of when you need to enter into that company's stock and when you need to get out is very important. So even for long-term investors or fundamental investors, you need a little bit of technical analysis to know that you don't want to start investing into a company when it is in a downtrend. Because the goal of investing is to fructify your money, not to divide it. Even if you find a great company, you need to figure out in what kind of pattern is it. Is it in a downtrend? Is it in an uptrend? Is it in a congestion zone? You need to know that to time your entry. And eventually you need to time your exit at some point. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk next week. I am going on vacation, so I might not be there Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I'll for sure be there on Wednesday. So if I show up, consider it a bonus because it's hard for me to know right now exactly when I am going to be able to do these videos, but I'm always thinking about you guys. Don't worry. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.